Rosario's place.
Lumuang na. Oo, pili. Kasi pero magulo pa rin eh. Kasi unti-unti nga namin. Ay, sorry.
No, at saka isuman kami.
Nasaan ko to? Thank you.
Suman, guys. Oh, namimiss namin too. Ang tagal-tagal namin hindi kakain ng suman.
Tita eh. Hindi oh. Magkano lang
It's a
namin.
suman.
They like this one na si
Suman
Tita
curry.
kasi
Kain tayo na.
Instead of-
suman na.
Malagkit ko lang siya ulit.
Welcome guys. Ang saray-saray ta sa town na. Wala tayong trabaho. Where's na shop? Saray-saray tayo. Clothes shop. Flower town. Something. So let's go shopping. Wala man tayo. Ano bibilhin natin? Watch your steps. May mga red peace sign there. Bili tayo. Called Trump brush. Trump brush. So cute. Nice silhig tambo guys. Nabaligya which is $9.95. So wow, bili na kayo. Ang dami-dami yan. Dami mga gamit doon. Bili kami ng key para ipadlock sa among dughan para hindi masakitan. Key. Aming sales dito guys. So come on, bili na kayo. 10%, $10. Shopping galore tayo. Shopping. So, we're going home now. Kaya humana namig pamalit. Shopping galore. So, tara, uwi na. The day well spent today. So, let's go. So, it's time to go home after my gala-gala sa town. So, enjoy at saka bili-bili ng something. So, see you later. Bye.
Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm starting saya today. Magluto tayo. Cooking show tayo today. So, tara!
Parat.
It's ready.
Natuyuan pa daw.
Ah.